How to restore Google Chrome tabs after restart. Hi guys, let's get started. Now for better illustration, I'm going to be closing down this Google Chrome with all the tabs opened. Now to do that, you go to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on the X icon there, and as you can see, the Google Chrome is closed. Now we're going to be reopening it by tapping on my Google Chrome and tapping on the account I would like to log into. And to restore Google Chrome tabs after a restart, you just need a particular setting turned on. Now you want to go to the top right hand corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on the three dots close to your email icon. Now guys, you want to scroll over to where you see settings, and then you want to tap on it. Now go to the left hand side of your screen and you want to tap on start up. Now you can see there are different options there, but for the sake of this video, you want to be tapping on the second option that states continue where you left off. You tap on that. So now I will be opening up different tabs so that we can test this out and see if it really works out. Now after opening up the tabs, I will just close down my Google Chrome. Now let's try opening back the Google Chrome to see if this actually worked. And guys, as you can see, this is the tabs we opened, and this is the actual place we left and canceled the Chrome app. And this is exactly how to restore Google Chrome tabs after restart. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now see you in my next video. Bye.